Greetings everyone. Here's a step-by-step process to apply for Diversity Visa program. So to apply for a DV, simply visit the website dvprogram.state.gov. Here are all the details to apply for the DV program. Anyway, let's first check our photo. See examples here. So your photo needs to look like this. And here are all the details. Make sure the photo is sharp and good quality. Size and position, make sure your photo size is 600 by 600 pixels and is more than 54 KB. You can also use this photo tool to crop the image to the right size. Anyway, after this is done, click on Begin Entry, enter the CAPTCHA, submit and fill the basic details. Your last name, first name, don't have a middle name, choose a gender, add your birth details, city you were born, only the city name. If you do not know, take it here. Country where you were born, country of eligibility, applying from the same country I was born. Upload a photo and a mailing address, or you can also use a PO box. In care of the name of a person who can receive this mail on your behalf, but it is optional. Write your address or PO box, city, district, country, province, postal code, or tick no postal code, country, where you live today, phone number, email address, your highest level of education, marital status, and a number of children. Now recheck all the details, as it is very important to provide the correct information. After verification, simply click Submit. So you have successfully applied for the DV program. And here is the confirmation number that will be needed to check the DV result. It is highly recommended to print this page. So this is how you can apply for DV, and you do not need any third person or pay to submit DV application. The chances are equal whether you pay or do it yourself. Thank you very much.